Howdy folks, welcome to another episode of the Rifle Church channel. This is a Rossi M92 and 44 Magnum. You've seen this in one of my previous videos. We're just going to throw 10 rounds of 240 grain cast loads through it. About 10 rounds in the Jupiter magazine at this time. Let's do it. What's not to like about these rifles? I mean, I really love this rifle. Even though I've bought and sold a lot of rifles, and this one just seems to be a keeper. I love it.
Hi, I'm Buckshot. I'm going to be shooting the 44 caliber?
44 Magnum.
Magnum. I don't know guns very well, but yeah, it's a pretty big gun.
You ready?
Yep.
Okay, you remember how to do it?
Mm-hmm.
Remember, you just want to make sure you get this, keep your finger off the trigger. You got to put the lever up. Keep your fingers off the trigger until you're ready. You get your sights aligned and you're ready to fire. Now shoot at the big green steel thing. 50 meters away.
Oh.
Okay, open the lever. All the way. Okay, just leave that there. You want to do another one?
Yeah.
Okay, close the lever. Finger off the trigger until you're ready to fire.
The thing about these guns is I always think I'm going to go through the wall. But it ends up just kind of pushing. And let's just say I'm not very good with big guns.
Yeah, well, you know what? You're doing pretty good in my books.
Ah!
Yeah, it really checks them out there. Okay, let's just, what we're going to do, you verify the feeding path. Rifle is safe. Take your time.
Yeah, you can clearly see that the length of comb on this rifle it's far too long for little Buckshot here. But these are reduced 44 Magnum cast loads. Right, he's kind of venturing into his first journey into, you know, the centerfire cartridge world, and maybe 357 Magnum 38 special rifle would have been more appropriate.
You certainly did.
Where we don't have stuff like that, so 44 Magnum is a pretty good choice. You can load it down as what we have here, which is basically 44 special velocities with a 240 grain cast bullet, and it's good. It's a great fun plinking round, and I'm telling you, when it hits that 12-inch or 14-inch scale at 50 meters, it really hits it hard, and it makes that sucker move. And this is only just with gallery loads. So these aren't even full house 44 Magnum loads, it'll wake you up. It'll definitely wake you up.
That felt good. I like that.